Hello everyone and welcome to the MaRDMO demo videos. This time we will focus on the documentation of mathematical models. In the previous videos we already documented the model itself and a related computational task. This time we will focus on the related mathematical expression. In the previous videos we already selected a mathematical expression from Wikidata, namely the MaRDMO equation. As we have seen, this expression was automatically added to the expressions section of the interview. Since we selected the expression from Wikidata, the name and the short description were automatically imported from Wikidata and added to our interview. Once again, we could provide an optional detailed description and also some properties. As before, we will skip the detailed description. And as properties, we select, as for the mathematical model, is deterministic, is dimensional, is not linear, and is static. Next up, we have to define the formula of the mathematical expression in LaTeX math. In our simple case, this is mu, the growth rate, is equal to the fraction of the limiting growth rate times the substrate concentration divided by the MaRDMO constant times substrate concentration. In your case, your mathematical expression consists of several expressions, like for example a system of ordinary differential equations. Use the LaTeX align environment and write all equations in one field. If you want to provide different ways of writing the formula, use separate entries. If on the other hand MaRDMO retrieves the formula for you from the MaRD portal, it will be displayed as MathML. Following the formula, we have to provide the individual elements of the mathematical expression. The first element could be, for example, the growth rate, mu. We already defined the bacterial growth rate before, so we can simply select it here. We did the same for the limiting bacterial growth rate, the substrate concentration, and the MaRDMO constant. Finally, we could add mathematical expressions which are contained in our mathematical expression, but this does not apply here. Following the information block, we can optionally relate our mathematical expression with other expressions from the MaRD portal or other expressions we defined in other sets of the interview. In this example, we will not do this, however. This is the end of this little demo. Thanks for watching.